Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple process, how to get your LinkedIn profile URL. So, if you've been wondering how to do this, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn profile. Once you're in, you'll see your name displayed somewhere on the page. Simply click on it to open your profile page. Now, there are two easy methods to get your LinkedIn profile URL. Method 1, look for the contact info section on your profile page and click on it. Here, you'll find your LinkedIn profile URL listed. Method 2, click on public profile and URL. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile URL displayed. You can copy it from here as well. And there you have it, folks. Two simple methods to get your LinkedIn profile URL. Now you can easily share it with anyone you like. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.